Did you know that the bed of your Chevy Silverado holds a secret? Took my jacket off because it's getting a little warm out here. Wasn't expecting it to be this warm when I came out here today, but I'm glad it is. I like the warm weather. So now we're out here in the Silverado in the bed of the truck. Now I'm going to show you this neat little trick that you can take advantage of in the bed of your Silverado. So all Silverados, I'm not sure if it's before 2019 or if it's just 2019 and newer, but they have these little plugs right here, these little rubber plugs that are covering holes in the bed. And these holes can be used to add mounting points for strapping stuff down in the bed, keeping it nice and secure. Right now, the truck just comes with 3 in the back on each side, so 6 total at the rear of the truck, 2 here on the front side driver, 2 there, 1 at the bottom on each side. So you can take advantage of these placements on your bed to add additional strap locations to the bed of your truck. GM sells a kit that will allow you to provide additional strap locations, and it's an extremely simple mechanism for adding them to the bed of your truck. No drilling, no bolts, no screws, nothing required. This is all you need right here. To install these additional strap locations, you're just going to take the plug out that's in the truck. You're going to take your new mounting point for the strap. It's just going to slot in, so you're going to make sure that it's squeezed all the way down to slide it in there. Then it's going to release with the springs. You're just going to hold this up against the side of your truck, and you're going to tighten with this. You only need to hand tighten it. There's no need to have any additional tools. So installing, it's as simple as that. I'm going to go ahead and install the rest of these. The kit comes with 4 additional strap mounting locations. So I'm going to get those put in, and then we'll take a look at the finished product. But that should definitely come in handy. Let's go ahead and get those other 3 installed. And just like that, we have 4 new mounting locations in the bed of this Silverado. Like I said, this kit comes with 4 new mounting brackets to put in your truck. There is a total of 9 additional locations for mounting in the Silverado. There's the 3 on each side. I decided to leave the one directly in the middle open on both sides, or plugged on both sides with that plug, and did the 2 towards the front and the back. There's also 3 additional mounting locations at the very front of the bed of the truck. Unfortunately, I can't get to those with the bed cover, but the bed cover for me comes in more handy than I feel like those mounting locations at the front of the bed would. So that's a bit of a compromise on my part, but the bed cover, like I said, for me, a little bit more important than those 3 additional mounting locations for straps up at the front of the truck. Now, you know how you can add additional strapping locations to the bed of your 2019 and newer Silverado, and potentially some of the older models as well. If you want to see more Silverado videos, I've got a playlist, and I also have more videos planned coming up. So keep an eye out, make sure you're subscribed so you know when those videos get posted as well. Thanks for watching. This is Southpaw Garage, signing out.